Look at this app. Sign in or just continue as a guest. Pick your drink, customize it exactly how you like it, add a tip, pay, and your order is placed. Then watch it move, placed, preparing, ready, live on screen. Every dollar you spend earns points and the rewards ring fill up as you go. Swipe over and book a table on a live floor map that shows what's exactly free right now. And here's the other side, the admin panel. Drag an order across the board and customers' phone updates. Mark something sold out and it dims on every customer's menu. Today's numbers, top sellers, all on one dashboard. Now this app was made in a few minutes. It cost almost nothing and the person who made it has never written a line of code because it was built by a coffee shop owner. The last part is the point, because a development agency codes $15,000 to $50,000 and 3 to 6 months for exactly this. No code tools are cheaper, but they still eat your weekends for a month. So most owners just live without one and quietly lose the repeat customers an app would have kept. With AI, you describe the app in plain English and you get a working mobile app the same afternoon. For a local business, that's the difference between customers who drift away and regulars who order before they have even parked. So today in this AI app building masterclass, we are building this exact app from scratch, designing it, testing it, and getting it ready for the app stores. So here's the situation. Say you own a coffee shop. Every morning there's a line out the door. Your regulars keep asking if they can order ahead. Weekends are a mess of walk-ins fighting over table. And your reward system is a paper stamp card that dies in the wash. We'll call our owner Mike. He runs a coffee shop in Portland called Kosher Coffee. And the app you just saw is his. Let's build it. Open Runable and start a new chat and switch to Ask Mode. Just like we did with carousels, we are not going to write the app prompt ourselves. We are going to describe the business problem and Runable turn it into a proper app brief. So here's what I'm typing. I own a coffee shop in Portland called Kosher Coffee and I want a mobile app for my customers. And I'm attaching the reference images right here. A few screenshots of app design I like the feel of. References matter a lot for apps because warm and clean means 10 different things to 10 different people and a picture settles it. Ask Mode comes back with a couple of questions about details we hadn't thought of. We answer and it hands us the full prompt. Every screen listed, every feature described, the admin side separated out cleanly, and the design direction spelled out. That's a brief a real dev agency would charge you for. Just copy it. Now 2 settings before we build anything. First, the image model. We are going to design the screens as images before we build the app. So pick the model that's strongest at clean UI and readable text. Second, switch on Ultra mode. Apps are one of the most complex things you'll build in Runable, and Ultra mode gives it more room to think through all the screens and logic properly. For a project like this, it's worth it. Now paste the prompt, but we don't build the app yet. Same lesson as carousels, design first, where it's cheap to change your mind. We ask for 5 options for the main screen only. Here are our 5. Look at how different they are, even with the same brief, different layouts, different feeds for the same coffee shop. Just skim through them and go with your gut. One of these will feel like your shop. This one's mine, and that's our direction. Now let's ask for all the screens. Give it a couple of minutes and there they are. Every screen all in one consistent style. Scroll through them like you are a customer. Sign in, menu, pick a drink, customize it, every feature. Now there's almost always one screen that isn't quite right, and that's normal. For me, it's the customization screen. The options feel a bit cramped for someone tapping with one hand in a queue. So we point at that screen and describe exactly what should change. That's the habit again. Whenever the issue is on your screens, name the screen, name the problem, leave the rest alone. Screens look good now. This is the moment we take all these images, hand back to Runable, and build the real thing. This is the longest wait in the class, so it's a good coffee break. And here's our app. Now, don't just admire it, go through it properly, because you are checking 2 things. Do the screens match what we designed? And did every feature we asked for actually make it in? You can open the preview right here or just scan the QR code downloading the Expo Go app and test it on your mobile phone. Okay, so let's test it like a customer. Sign in, order a drink, customize it, tip, pay, watch the points going up on the rewards ring, open the tracking screen. We'll test every feature. And that right there is whole working app end to end. Toggle an item sold out and it dims on the customer's menu. Book a table and it goes unavailable on the floor map. And you'll almost always find something in the first test. For me, it's this booking site. It lets you pick time slots outside my opening hours. So we asked right here in the same chat. Here we have the corrected version. Test again. And the late slots are gone. That's the final app. Sign in or choose a guest mode, ordering with customization and payment, live tracking, order history and reorder, rewards, table booking, and the admin side. Mike's staff can actually run. Get it into the customer's hand. Just click on publish and here you get the options of publishing it on Play Store and App Store. So just follow the steps in the UI. And here's the thing, the same flow builds any app. a booking app for a salon where clients pick a stylist, a service and a slot, code calculator app for a landscaping company where the customer picks their lawn size and gets an instant price so codes stop going cold for 2 days, a gym check-in app with class bookings, an internal inventory app your staff updates from their phone at closing time. Describe the problem and the features, design first, build second, test like a customer. So quick recap, Ask More writes your app brief from the problem, the features, the reference images, pick your image model, turn on ultra, design 5 options of one screen, lock one, design all screen, then feed the designs back and build the real app. Test everything like a customer, fix in the same chat and publish from the steps in the UI. And that's how easily you can have an app for your shop. So your assignment for this class is think of the one question customers keep calling you to ask. Can I book? How much would it cost? Can I order ahead? And build the app that answers it today. See you in the next class.